In this video, I'll be making a ladder shelf from one 2x6. I started by cutting a 2-inch strip from the 2x6. This will be used to make the legs of the shelf. Next, I cut a 60-inch section as well as a 15-inch section from the 2-inch strip. Then I resawed both sections down the middle to get all 4 of my leg pieces. The legs are going to lean back, so I had to cut off the ends of each leg piece at 15 degrees. And now I'm just cutting all the joints for the legs. And the last thing I needed to do for the legs was shape the ends a bit to make them look nicer. Next, I used the 21-inch offcut from the 2-inch strip I cut earlier and used that to make 1/4-inch strips for backing of the shelves. I also cut another 1/4-inch strip from the 2x6 and used that to make the sides of each shelf. And then to finish up the side pieces, I used the sander to shape them. Next, I needed to make the shelves, so I cut what was left of the 2x6 into 4 21-inch sections, then resawed each section into 3 3/8-inch boards. I ended up with 12 of these 3/8-inch boards, and I edge glued them all into one big panel. Once the glue dried, I could cut the shelves out of the panel. Each shelf was a different size, so I cut a 6-inch, a 8-inch, a 10-inch, and a 12-inch shelf out of the panel. And lastly, I just sanded everything smooth and put everything together. I finished the ladder shelf with some shellac, and this project was actually very easy. I was able to get it done in like a day.